Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese in Minecraft. Start by milking cows and collecting at least 4 buckets of milk into your inventory. Heat milk gently using a furnace or campfire with a container that mods allow. Add a coagulating agent like rennet from a mod, or use a datapack recipe to curdle the milk. Press curds in a mold block, or use a crafting table recipe to form cheese wheels or slices. Store cheese in a cool chest. Gather all ingredients before starting, so you avoid stopping mid-process and losing progress. Milking cows gives you milk buckets quickly, and mods may add stronger milk variants. Place a furnace or campfire near your crafting area for steady heat. Acquire a coagulating agent from your mod or datapack library and keep it in an accessible slot. Prepare a mold or crafting station to press and shape curds into cheese. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides for you. Quick recommendation. A great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money. It pairs nicely with resource management themes in Minecraft and makes you smile when counting ingots and emeralds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat milk on low until curds form, stirring occasionally to mimic real cheesemaking and improve texture. Scoop curds into molds or place them in a crafting grid to shape cheese wheels or blocks. Use a cool cellar or refrigerated block if your mod supports aging to develop flavor. Check cheese periodically and rotate molds for even texture. Once aged, slice or craft cheese for storage, trading, or culinary decoration in your builds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.